Raj Tools and Stamping Private Limited company is mainly basic tool manufacturing company. Mainly we are manufacturing press tools for the automotive sector. Around about 90% remaining of home appliances parts. Myself, Rajashekhar Hugar. I am the owner of Raj Tools and Stamping Private Limited. We are here expo for organized by NTTF Pune. Raj Tools mainly focusing on the DP metals like DP 980, DP 1180, 1490. So in future, customers are going through the DP metals. So we are exposing our R&D and tooling in the DP metals. Expo is launched is good success, and we are waiting for the further so many exhibitions like this Tooling Expo, and waiting for the so much opportunities.